Hello everyone, it's once again Dipalsa from London with some current announcement. It's not too much this time, but important, very important. From 11th of October, the people are coming back from India now onwards, of course. So Covishield is approved, the certificate is approved by UK government. So if you are coming from India to UK and if you have a Covishield, your both vaccine is done in India, and if you're coming in the UK, you don't have to be home quarantine for 10 days. It's gone now, absolutely yes. And day 8 test, you don't have to do day 8 test. And the home quarantine 10 days is gone, absolutely gone. So people are coming back from India in UK. Still you have to fill the passenger locator form and book the day 2 test only. Not the day 8 test and no home quarantine. So that's absolutely good news. At the same time, lots of the question for India visa, the people don't have OCI. They can't travel since March 2020. So that's good news for them. Indian government, they announced recently from 15th of October and 15th of November, they're a little bit confused. They give 2 dates, God knows why. But 15th of October, people are going in charter flight. They're going to issue the visa, but who will go in charter flight anyway? So commercial flight from 15th of November, whoever will flight after 15th of November, they're going to issue the online visa for e-visa. That's as per now. They may change. We all know that. But at least something good news. The visa was stopped by Indian government from March 2020 up to now 18 months. They did announcement now. They're going to issue the visa from 15th November onwards. So, which is absolutely good news. You don't have to go for emergency visa or anything. So just wait and watch. You may apply e-visa from 15th of November. Number 3, last but not least, when you book the ticket, careful, lots of the schedule change nowadays, in and out. So before your departure date, both way, doesn't matter, anywhere you go in the world, 72 hours before, check your schedule online. It's very easy. You don't have to contact travel agent even. Go to the airlines website, go to manage my booking, put your PNR number and surname. You will see your flight time, departure time, landing time, everything. Lots of schedule change nowadays. One small example, Virgin Atlantic, they changed the schedule up to February 2022. The departure flight was evening 6 or 7 p.m. Now they're going to depart at 10 o'clock in the morning. Same thing coming back from India, flight time was 11 o'clock and that's going to depart 4 a.m. in the morning. So all the airlines, is not one airline. This is just one example. So double check with your travel agent or yourself on manage my booking before you go to the airport 72 hours before. So at least you know the schedule is not changed. Very important. And lots of people are thinking after 11th of October, everything is gone. We don't have to do corona test. We don't have to fill the form. There is rumors, but it's not like that. Still, you have to fill the Air Suvidha form before you leave UK to India. And while you coming back, you have to fill the passenger locator form. It's still there. It's very simple process. The government process we have to follow. Just 10-minute job. People are scaring too much. Oh, lots of formality we have to do. We're not gonna go this year and blah blah blah. Travel industry is open now. You can go. Just small formality we have to do. The government formality. Fill the forms. That's compulsory and it's very easy. Get help from your family member. But if you want to go for India, you can go. I heard lots of the people are scaring, oh, this year lots of formalities filling the form and we're not gonna go. But of course, come on, if your passport is expired and if you want to renew the passport, you have to fill the form. You can't say, oh, my passport is expired, I'm not gonna go outside the UK for rest of the life. It's simple like that. Just 10-minute process, fill the form and you're ready to go. So lots of good news. Industries is open. Let's see, finger crossed, by within a 2 to 4 months or next year, the whole world is open and that's what we want. Praying God. Like you and love you all. If you like my video, I am doing lots of the help since Corona started. Like and share and subscribe my video so you will get next information automatically. Like you and love you all. Bye for now.